Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a speed clean with me. I'm going to be tackling my entire main living space, not that it's big, but I'm going to be cleaning all this mess up, and I'm also going to be cleaning up my master bedroom and the patio today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. There's no super fancy editing today. I just wanted to share with you some real life cleaning, and really, I just hope that today's video will give you some motivation or give you a little bit of entertainment for the evening.
I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Okay, so my room's not perfect, but it's picked up and tidy. I'm waiting on my bedding to get done, and I'll make the bed later, and I'll vacuum the floors later, but right now, at least it's clean.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay.
To wipe down the island, I'm just using the Sprayway glass cleaner, and I don't do this often. Occasionally you'll see me using like the Sprayway glass cleaner to wipe down the kitchen table or the island or even the stovetop, just because it works really well and it makes it really shiny, but it's not something that I use on a regular basis. So I just wanted to, let you guys know that. But today it was the first thing I grabbed, and it works great. It cleans it really well. So that's what I used. But now I'm just going to unload the dishwasher and load it up. As you can see, I had a ton of dishes piled up in the sink. It seemed like every single cup that we owned was dirty. I don't know how that happens. I try really hard to encourage everybody, hey, use the same cup, but that goes in one ear and out the other around here. So we end up having 20 cups in the sink, even though there's only 4 of us.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a light, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try.
So today I kind of did things a little backwards. I usually would load the dishwasher and then clean out the sink and then wipe down the countertops, but it was a little early still, so I'm just kind of doing it a little backwards, and I was tired. But I'm going to go ahead and scrub out the sink. As soon as I'm done doing this, I'm going to go ahead and clean off the sliding glass doors. I have shared this over my main channel a few times, but my dog Zoe jumps on the doors. It has become such a bad habit, and it's really hard to get her to stop doing it. So my back sliding glass door is scratched up to no end, and it's always dirty. So I have to clean it every other day, or it looks like I never clean, but I swear I do. It's just, Zoe's a jumper. I don't know how to get her to stop. Some people recommended doing a bell, but I know that my other 2 dogs are probably going to be scared of it. So it's just, I never know what to do. But we'll figure it out, and until then, I'm going to deal with a dirty, scratched up door.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
So here I'm just cleaning off the windows really quick. They get full of nose prints from the dogs and oh my goodness, fingerprints from the kids, and I try to wipe these down at least once a week. So I decided to go ahead and wipe the ones outside. They were full of like moisture spots, I guess, from the I don't know what I'm trying to say. They were dirty, so I wiped them clean using that Sprayway glass cleaner. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor. I would have used my little stick vacuum, the cordless one, but it was dead. Of course, the one day I wanted to vacuum, I forgot to charge my vacuum. Alright, so I'm about to mop the floors using my O-Cedar mop and that Tide hot water mixture that I have been loving. Also, by the way, I just changed out the mop head, and I buy a 3, I think it's either a 3 or 4 pack. I'll link it below. It's really inexpensive compared to the O-Cedar brand, and I feel like they're very comparable if you're looking to save a little bit of money versus buying the O-Cedar ones. You can throw these in the wash machine, but mine tend to get really stained up pretty quickly. I mop so much. And you got to keep in mind, I have 3 dogs, 2 kids, so you can only imagine how dirty my floors can get. And with these mop heads being pure white, they look dingy fast. So just keep that in mind. But by the way, I did want to point out, I don't know if you probably didn't even notice. You probably could care less, but I'm going to share anyway. The shoes that I have on, I purchased from Walmart. I love Walmart shoes. Let me know in the comments below. Do y'all wear Walmart shoes too? Because I feel like they have totally stepped up their game with their clothing and shoes. And these are comfortable, lightweight, and they look stylish. And they were only $16 compared to like Nikes and all the other brands that you can buy that are super expensive. And I just wanted to throw out, I'm not bashing Nike or any of other expensive brands. I know that some people love them and they fit their feet perfectly and all that. But I have found that the Walmart shoes just fit my foot so good. They're really comfortable, and I can get like 4 pairs of shoes for the price of 1 pair of Nikes, and that is like right up my alley. So just wanted to share that with you. But I'm going to clean off this patio, wipe down the little patio table, and for some reason I decided that I was going to try to rip out the bushes along the fence line. I didn't get it all the way up, but I did get a lot of the dead branches off, and I definitely need to get me some like hedge clippers or something, because I wanted to trim these down to like just the base, that way they could regrow, but I just need to buy some. I haven't thought about it. Every time I go to Lowe's, I'm there to get like wood for projects, and I always forget to get like yard tools that we actually need.
On the outside, looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the highways, on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see.
Alright, so this next clip is super satisfying. I have this really old rug. It's about 2 years old and it has never been cleaned. Since I bought it when we first bought our house, and once it got this dirty, I just rolled it up and put it in our shed because I needed to find a way to wash it, but we didn't have a shampooer at the time. And once I rolled it up and put it in the shed, I actually forgot about it. So I whipped out the new pressure washer that we bought from Lowe's. We ended up getting the Greenworks brand. It's really inexpensive. And I'm just going to pressure wash the rug really quick, get it nice and clean. I even sprinkled a little bit of Tide laundry soap on it just to, go that extra mile. Once it was all done, I just hung it up over the pool fence so it could dry out. And I wanted to share with you a photo of the before and after. Like, look how nasty it was. But while I was working on that, my blanket was finishing up in the dryer, so I'm going to go ahead and make my bed really quick. The last thing I wanted to tackle today was just cleaning out my shower door, or cleaning off my shower doors. I just take this scrubber that I got from Walmart. It's one of my favorites. It's the only thing I use on the shower door because it just works so good. And I just use plain Dawn. I scrub it on in all different directions. I rinse it off and it comes crystal clean. And I try to do this at least once a week, or else it gets really bad and then it takes a little bit more elbow grease. So if I just keep up with it, it's not bad at all. And then I always mop my bathroom last. That way I can just toss the little mop head in the wash machine when I'm done. But here's an overview of how the house looks now that it's all clean. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.